Team Leadership Plan, Analysis and Results for Strident Properties by Erica Morrison for Cornerstone University, Team Leadership and Conflict Management, Class MGT 543. The team leadership model that I chose for Strident Properties is the coaching model. This is a cross between servant leadership and transformational leadership. According to the diagram on the right side of the screen, this leadership style allows staff with some to low competence and the use of high directive, high supportive style. Some of the attributes of the coaching leadership style is exploring, explaining when needed, redirecting employees as needed, clarification when needed, encouragement of the employees within their job functions, praising them when they do things well, sharing feedback, building trust. It uses each person's strengths. It focuses on lessons learned from failure or weaknesses, and it requires a high degree of emotional intelligence. I feel that the coaching model would benefit Strident Properties because there was a lack of morale within the organization, and most of the employees didn't feel like they were heard. The coaching model would benefit Strident Properties because it would allow them to become a cohesive team while motivating them onto a better product, more accounts, and better customer service. Coaching would do this by developing strong leadership through motivation of employees and building relationships and creating teams. As Catherine saw in 5 dysfunctions of a team, the lack of trust can erode relationships and cause failure even to the best and most qualified organizations and businesses. This would then cause better outcomes and products and better relationships with customers. Some risks, however, to the coaching model are if you have unmotivated employees, they won't be motivated regardless of any one-on-one coaching. The other problem is leaders who only want their glory. No matter how much coaching you're able to do with them, they will never fully want the best for the organization, the other employees, or the company. The other problem is that you will inevitably have to let some employees go that don't buy into the values of the company. As Catherine saw in the 5 dysfunctions of a team, oftentimes you have to let people go in order to bring about change within the organization, in order to cause growth and to set a firm foundation for growth. I would begin by allowing Alex to have his employees buy into the business. This would mean giving each employee the opportunity to have a say in decisions. It would also encourage each employee to lead their department and not demand that they do. It would also provide resources and assistance where needed to bring about growth. So it would give back some of the power to the employees. Some deliverables that we might see is better listening to customers, taking their suggestions and implementing the ones that make sense and meet the mission and vision and values of the company. Listen to the employees. They know what's going on. They see it every day. They know what is possible and what can produce real change within their environment and within the atmosphere of the company. Have scheduled praise days where everyone shares their accomplishments. This could be during a staff meeting or a retreat or through email or a job board or postings. Reward good work through gift cards, pizza parties, day off, etc. Take suggestions of what the workers would like to do and see as a reward for their good work. Appoint employees to lead that are already well respected and knowledgeable. This also causes buy-in because if those employees are buying in, then other employees will also buy into the new leadership and the new direction of the organization. Keep up the good work. It's important to stay motivated. Come up with a good coaching plan. Sit down and put one together for each department leader. They could do this with each employee within their department. They could also come up with a plan for production, customer satisfaction, feasibility of that plan, and more. They can also refer back to the plan on a weekly or monthly basis to see how they were doing. This could be used as kind of a roadmap to help them stay on track and to help keep them moving forward. The future cast that I would think we would see with this model would be within the next year, we might see improvement in team functions, motivation within the employees, efficiency within departments, more secure relationships among the leadership, And then this would also help to create security and competence within the employees. And within 5 years, I would think that we could see more customers for the company, better communication and fluidity within the organization, increased work performance. In the next 10 years, you might also see advancement in technology within the company as trends change and new trends begin. Industry leadership could become more affluent. Acquisition of another company or expansion within the company might also be possible. There my people go, I must follow. The coaching leadership model really places most of the leadership on the employees and not so much on the actual leaders themselves. This helps the employees to feel more connected to the company and thus want to give back more, making leadership able to be more effective and efficient. And so it's kind of a circular model in a way, and I feel that this would be the best to help Striding Properties.